Hey everybody, so today I am back with another quick lookbook. I just want to show you guys a few outfits that are all super affordable. Besides the shoes, every individual item in here is under $20, so super affordable, and it's a lot of DIY items I wanted to show you. So let's get started with the first outfit. So first outfit, this is just a cute little white baby doll tee. I actually cropped it a little shorter than it came, but this was just from Walmart. It was like under $5, I think. And then the pants are from the thrift store. They're just kind of like vintage kind of workwear slack pants. And then I just have a pant chain around my neck, and I have a pant chain on my pants, plus some combat boots. You can really pair this with any type of shoe, but I love the boots with it. For the next outfit, I just wanted to show you guys it with a different top. So this top is one of my favorites, and I got it from Target, and I think it was like around 15 bucks. I'm obsessed with polo tees, and you could even go to the thrift store, buy a men's polo, and then just crop it. You don't necessarily have to get like a women's one. I just think this outfit is so cute, kind of skatery, kind of 90s, super into it, and the shirt is so comfy. All right, let's move on to the next outfit. Now these pants are some of my favorite. Now they are men's Wrangler pants from Walmart. They were $20. This is the most expensive item in this whole lookbook. And then I just paired it with a little rivet belt and then a new pair of Filas that I'm obsessed with. But anyways, we're moving on. And then I paired it with this tee. This is a shirt that I got from Value Village and I cut up myself. You literally just pull it tight and drag scissors across it and then kind of pull it and toss it in the washer and dryer, and that's kind of it. It takes a lot of trial and error, but the shirt was like $2, so you really can't go wrong. I love how edgy and just fun this outfit is, and this shirt has become one of my favorites, an old school Hurley shirt, and it was really easy, and like I said, it was really cheap and looks expensive. So that's the third outfit. Let's go on to the fourth. All right, same outfit, but just different t-shirt. I just wanted to show you guys a couple different ways to DIY some old thrift tees. So this is an old Hundreds shirt that I found at the thrift store. This one I didn't cut up as much because I really liked the graphic and the kind of bleach stains on it. So I just did a couple, again, just pull it tight, drag scissors across it, and then just kind of pull it more, toss it in the washer and dryer, and you have yourself a distressed tee. It's super easy, just takes practice. All right, final outfit. These are jeans that I completely DIY'd. I took in the waist a little bit and then I ripped the crap out of them. Again, just pulling your scissors across it or pulling a razor blade across it. And then I just paired it with a little white tank top. Little tank tops like these, like little camis, are like $2 and they're so cute. I love tying them up or cropping them. I just think they're super simple and cute, super 90s. I love a good see-through white like shirt with a white bra. I just think it's really cute and like trashy in a cute way, you know? But I'm just going to pair this with a pant chain and then a cute little chain necklace around my neck if I can get my hair out of my face enough to put it on. And then of course white Vans, can't go wrong. But I had so much fun distressing these. Again, the key is to drag your scissors across it. I sewed that patch on myself. Also, I just got this patch from Hot Topic. Drag your razor or scissors across it, rip it up, and then toss it in the dryer and toss it in the washer, and it will kind of naturally distress itself, especially with these old jeans. These are just Kirkland brand jeans that I made fun and cute. I love this outfit. It's super simple. And then I just paired it with this little gray zip up. Super easy, really good like back to school outfit, like college outfit. Super effortless, really fun, really easy, really simple, and it was so cheap. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you guys with this quick little lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!